It's Jason here from AquaOZ Pond Solutions. Just making a really quick video to explain some of our products and what we do. So we are a soil and water treatment business here in Australia. We are Australian owned and operated. We also focus all of our treatments in the natural sectors, avoiding chemicals at all costs. We also get all of our ingredients from bottles, labels, caps, and the ingredients in the bottles, all from small local businesses, so supporting local as much as we can. So a couple of the things we'll cover off is we've got our pond range and aquarium range, which is what we will generally see in store. But we also have our commercial range, whether it be for soil, lakes and dams as well. They're separate and we can cover that off on another video. So in this video, we're just going to cover off, we've got our Pond Tonic beneficial bacteria, PondFix enzyme, dechlorinator with aloe vera, and then your standard dechlorinator. In this, we also have Lake Fix enzyme, Dan Fix enzyme, Blue Beauty dam and lake dye. We've got pH up and a few other products there as well. On the aquarium side, we do mirror the pond side very much so with AquaFix enzyme, your standard dechlorinator, which comes in a 250ml, as well as the 500. You've got Blue Beauty aquarium dye, which is a diluted version of the lake dye, in the 500ml. We do the beneficial bacteria in a 250 and 500, and then we do our aloe vera dechlorinator in a 250ml. Now, out of this, we'll start with the bacteria. These two are two completely separate products. This bacteria and the strains included in the bottle are more so designed for outdoor application, open air environments, whereas the aquarium one will carry different strains, which is more suited to closed environments like aquariums. The bacteria themselves are incredibly high concentration levels, with one of the highest, if not the highest concentrations in Australia. That there means that the product is going to work much faster for the customer. The bacteria as well, we've had amazing success with cycling systems in 1 to 3 days, as well as recovering crash systems in 1 to 3 days by reducing ammonia, nitrites and nitrates. One of our favourite products though is the enzymes. So PondFix and AquaFix enzyme are essentially the same product with different dilution rates. Obviously we're using this for smaller aquarium systems and this one for the larger pond systems. We do Lake Fix and Dan Fix enzyme, which are large open water bodies. So with that one, we're needing to use a lot less of the product for big water bodies. The enzyme itself will break down organic matter, and it also speeds up bacteria's process in consuming both nutrients, ammonia, nitrites and nitrates, and then also allows them to reproduce a lot quicker as well. By using the bacterias and the enzymes together, we find that we can recover systems very quickly, especially if we have algal issues, or chemical issues with ammonia, nitrites and nitrates. So the easiest way to explain enzyme is if we need to dig a hole, instead of using a shovel, we're actually going to use a digger, so we can do it a lot quicker. The product is an Australian made product there. It is 100% safe and natural, so it's fine for yabbies, marine fish, frogs, all sorts of different creatures, even axolotls. On that note, the only thing we don't recommend for axolotls is aloe vera in our dechlorinators. They just don't seem to like it, so do avoid any aloe vera when you work with axolotls. Outside of that, we just work on trying to create a safe and natural environment for our fish and our plants. So not using any chemicals there that might hamper them, but actually encouraging nature to take its course and repair itself naturally. All of this information is available on AquaOZPondSolutions.com. You head to the download section, you'll be able to find brochures on the products, safety data sheets and other information. We have a pond keeping checklist that can also be used for aquariums. It's just teaching people how to look after the environment correctly, so we're not hampering any of the biological side of things at all. If you've got any questions, do reach out.